So there's no assigned seating.
Yeah, I'm doing a video. I'm gonna have Evan help me make a YouTube. Hey, hey. Hello. Say hi to Lala. Say hi, Lala.
Hi, Lala.
I love you.
Lala.
Okay.
You want to be a vlogger
I think maybe I will. A little bit. This is so beautiful here. What's the name of this place?
I don't know.
Oh,
Forest Camp.
yeah.
This is Forest Camp.
Oh, this is Forest Camp. Forest Camp. This is the bridge? It's a small bridge. No, that's not a path. We could try. We'll try.
So basically you explore and find a place to have your party, and that's it. As long as no one else is using that space, it's all yours.
See, because you can get closer to the falls this way. Oh yeah, it's definitely okay. Because see, if you wanted to have a party up here,
That admission price is per person.
Forest Camp in Valencia is a great place to go. Great place to go with a family. If you want to have your own barbecue, you could bring your own meat and cook it right there. Really good times. Look at that view. Look at that. It's so nice. So peaceful. Yeah. Good times. I love you. Bye. 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 I'll see you later. We're gonna eat, okay? Okay. Yeah, careful. Good. Oh. There? Okay. We found the bridge. A little bit of a backup on the bridge. That way? Yeah. So if you're sick of the city life in Manila, Cebu, even downtown Dumaguete, not that far away, you can go to Valencia. The Forest Camp. Amazing place. Definitely cool. Definitely amazing. Hello. Hi. You say hi to USA. Okay. That's good. That's the whole thing, huh? It's very nice though. So what you do when you get here, you can't make a reservation on any table or anything, but you claim your spot. And you just claim it for yourself and your family. Like, look at this. Right above the falls. We could have eaten up here. Very amazing. I shouldn't do it. Could even climb up there. But this is paradise. Admission is, I think, 100 pesos for adults.
Sometimes I just make stuff up.
Money well spent. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. Very good. How are you? Hi. Yeah? Are you making a video too?
Yes.
Okay. This is right here, right? Yeah. It's the same bridge. I think there's only one bridge. We'll wait for the girl to go. Yeah? Okay. Do not jump. Do not jump or play on the rope bridge. Okay. Good advice. Especially if you're 100 kilos or more. Really bad idea to jump on the bridge. What an amazing trip. What an amazing place. I love the Philippines. Vloggers, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Things are better in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah?
More fun in the Philippines.
More fun in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody at one.
Oh!
I almost fell.
See? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Wait, I'm not ready.
All right.
3? 3. Okay, sige, 3.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's more fun in the Philippines. Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
More fun in the Philippines.
Yay! Oh. Okay. Okay, cuestas.
Bugnaw siya. Hindi sila.
Asa na alangon?
Di aras siya.
Ha?
Di aras. Was. Nina.
Okay. No. Think this way. This way? This way? Oh, not right now. This is gonna, oh, we're gonna go all the way back. Okay. So take this bridge and then the other bridge. Okay. Auf Wiedersehen. So I know like 3 words in 20 different languages. A little skill that I have. We go to that bridge over there. So do we go down? Yeah, we think so. This way? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, the music's too loud. That's okay. You can still hear me anyway. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Hi. Hi. Say hi.
Hi, Dale.
Say hi.
Hi, welcome to your vlog.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, Mike.
Say hi. 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 Hi.
Say hi.
Like this. Okay. You say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Right out.
Hi guys.
Hi.
About a thing, surf a little thing, that's to be alright. Say don't worry about a thing, surf a little thing, that's to be alright. Rise up this morning.
Camp, awesome place. It has zero Wi-Fi reception, by the way. Keep that in mind. We going the right way? No, we're not going that way. One of the best places to go to in Valencia, not too far away from Dumaguete. Bring your whole family, have a fantastic time. The water's cool and refreshing. There's picnic areas, you can cook your own food if you wanted to. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Salamat, salamat. And of course, happy birthday again on Angel dito kataputan. Happy birthday. Wala ka may kabadungog ha, na birthday ngayon.
Wait!
Wala na may birthday ngayon.
Wait! Don't be shy to me.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Hey, wait. Okay. Salamat.